long and short. Class 3, subject maths. Prepared by Srimati Shima Chakraborty, PRT KV number 1, Ishapur. Target learning outcome. The children should know about the tools used for measuring length. They should know how to use a ruler, finds distance between 2 points, estimates and then verifies the distance by measuring, measures length using appropriate standard units, centimeter, meter, etc. Understands that the basic unit for measuring length is meter. Now, measuring length. Length is how long or how far away something is. Customary units and metric units. Generally, we measure the length in two different ways. One is using customary units, another is metric units. Under customary units, we are having inch, like IN, it is written as INC. Suppose a small paper clip can be measured by using this inch. Foot, FT, the length of a ruler, that is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Yard, it is shortly written as YD. Suppose about the width of the door. So 1 yard is equal to 36 inches or 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And in metric units, generally we are using centimeter. Suppose the width of your pinky finger, that is the little finger. Then meter, a bit more than the width of a door, that can be measured by using meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Generally, there are some of the tools we are using like inch ruler, yard stick, measuring tape, centimeter ruler, meter stick. So this way we are using length. We are measuring length. Now let me elaborately know what are the tools used for measuring length. One is ruler, okay, measures the units inch, foot. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Yardstick measures the units yards, feet, inches. 1 feet is equal to 1 yard. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. Meter stick measures the unit meter or centimeter. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Measuring tape, it measures the units inch or foot. So these are the tools for measuring length. Now let me come to children, this one. There are certain paper clips are here. You have to understand how many paper clips covers the distance of that particular object. Suppose the spoon is there. Spoon, how many paper clips are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 7. 7 paper clips can complete a complete length of a spoon. In this way, you have to find out for this lollipop, this painting brush, pencil, the wristwatch, the crayon. Here some of the objects are given and you have to count the number of paper clips and you have to write it. So this is another way of measuring objects. These are customary. Now there are many more units, but for our purposes the order goes from smallest to largest. So first we will use the small unit, that is smallest unit we can tell millimeters, mm, the short form is mm, centimeters, cm, then comes meter, m, then kilometers, km. Okay, so here millimeter is millimeter, the small short form. Here you can measure the length of your nail by using this millimeter unit. Centimeter can be used, the length of a pencil can be used by using this centimeter unit. Then suppose the complete length of a door or length of a rod can be used by using the measurement meter, measuring unit meter. The length of a road can be measured by kilometer. So these are the different units, standard units for measuring length. Now look at the table of measuring units. The base unit, generally the base unit in length is, we call it as meter. So in the smaller units, let me come to the smaller units. After meter it comes decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter in the right side. When you go in the left side, that becomes the bigger units. That means decameter is bigger than meter, hectometer is again bigger than decameter, and kilometer is the biggest unit, which will be bigger than the hectometer. So this way, this is the measuring unit, this is the measuring table. Now scales used in the geometry box, you are having the geometry box, you are using the scale like this. The upper scale, this one you see that it is a 30 centimeter scale. The 30 is the last digit, here you can measure it. And another one is just half of it, it is 15 centimeter scale. So these two scales you can find out in your geometry box. Now learning about the measuring in centimeter. You know that there are, the first one, the red ribbon is, what is the centimeter, what is the length of this red ribbon? Now look at it, it starts from 0 and ends up to 7. So the length of the red ribbon is 7 centimeter. Similarly, you have to find out for pink ribbon. It comes, the last one, it just touches 6. So it from 0 it starts and then it comes to 6. So it is 6 centimeter. The green ribbon, look at, it starts from 0 and ends up to 3. So it becomes 3 centimeters. And now next is blue ribbon. Blue ribbon starts from 0 and ends up to 8. So it becomes 8 centimeter. Now each metric unit gets 10 times bigger. Now when you go from, look at this, from meter, let me start from meter. Meter is the base unit, or you can tell this is a standard unit of length. Now children, when you go from meter to decimeter, that means bigger unit to smaller unit, then it is 10 into 10. Okay. So one house you are going it, so it is into 10. 10 it is going. So meter to decimeter it is into 10, decimeter to centimeter into 10, centimeter to millimeter is again into 10. And when you go from decameter to meter, it is again into 10, hectometer to decameter into 10, kilometer to hectometer into 10. But when you are, that means from bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. But when you go from the smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. So millimeter to centimeter is here divided by 10, centimeter to decimeter is divided by 10, decimeter to meter is again divided by 10, meter to decameter is divided by 10, decameter to hectometer divided by 10, hectometer to kilometer divided by 10. So this way, from smaller to bigger unit, you have to divide. When you have to go from smaller unit to bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. This is the conversion. Again, I am telling you about the converting the length units. It is the easiest to use a conversion. Look up the diagram like the one below. First of all, when you want to go from kilometer to meter, 1 kilometer means how many meter? It becomes into 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then meter to centimeter means from bigger unit to smaller unit, it is into 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is how much millimeter? So 1 centimeter is the bigger unit than millimeter, so into 10. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. But when you go from the smaller unit to bigger unit, that is 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter, it will be divided by 10, 1 by 10. Centimeter to meter means 1 by 100, that is divided by 100. Meter to kilometer means 1 by 1000. So now 5 kilometer, it is an example for you. 5 kilometer is equal to how much meter? As you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 meter. But what about 120 centimeter equal to how much meter? You have to divide it by 100. So it is how much? 120 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2 meter. Now here there is a lizard and you have to find out the length of this lizard. It will start from 0. Just count the marking and you can finally find out how much centimeter it is. Similarly, a crayon is here. A crayon, what is the length of the crayon? What is the length of the dice? What is the length of the leaf? Just by counting the mark, you can find out the length of that particular object. Now here you can see another diagram for you. There is a nail. There is a, this is a slippers. This is a paper clip. Another is a scissor. And the marking is given. It starts from 0. 0 to 1 there are 10 divisions. 1 to 2 there are 10 divisions. In this way 10 divisions it goes. And within the 10 division there is in the middle it is 5. So that means 5 up to 5, again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So in 1 and 2 there are 10 divisions. That is, if 1 centimeter is there, then between 1 and 2 it is equal to 10 millimeter. That means 1 division is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So you have to understand. Now you can find out what is the length of the nail, what is the length of the slipper, what is the length of the paper clip, what is the length of the scissor. Now here another activity for you. You have to tell which is more than 1 meter, which is less than 1 meter. Length of a table, width of a table, width of a door, length of a door. Width is the breadth. So children, think of it and do it. Now here is a worksheet for you. You have to convert 37 centimeter is equal to how much millimeter? Meter to centimeter, meter to centimeter, and centimeter to millimeter. This is the worksheet. It is given to you. Complete it, children. For adding knowledge, there is some measurements of the length from measuring units are there. You have to understand it. For measuring length, 1 foot, if you choose the measuring unit, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And 3 feet is equal to 36 inches. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. 1 mile is again equal to 1,760 yards. So children, this is for another extra knowledge. Remember it. Thank you very much. God bless you. So you have learned different measuring units of the length and how to apply it. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.